Assalamu alaikum 3 class, hope you will be fine. Beta, today we'll do the task on workbook page number 40. Page number 40. As you see, our unit 7 is going on, the Green City part 1, and from workbook just 2 pages are left. As you see, page number 40 as well as page number 41. So today we'll complete these pages. Okay, as you remember, from 39 page number we have completed our 2 tasks according to the words are here, and we have to complete the sentences according to the given word bank. First 2 passages have done, and now we move on the next one. Keep it in mind that we have to write down the time in words. As you see, the word is time is 8:45. 8:45. So how we write it? Quarter to 9. How we write it? Quarter to 9. At quarter to 9, Mrs. Khan heard the front door opening. Something dash wrong. Something was wrong. As you see, the word bank is given here: called, had, heard, was, and were. Mrs. Khan, Mr. Khan wasn't singing or humming or whistling. Is everything all right, dear? She called out. Mr. Khan didn't answer. His face was black and his clothes were blacker. We dashed no bread for breakfast that day. Had no bread. We had no bread. As you remember, all the bread was burnt. Now move on the next exercise. Ask Mr. Khan question about his day using the past simple tense or past continuous tense. Continuous or progressive tense. Okay. Use the words in bracket to make the question. We use these question words, and according to the answer we have to make a question. Like the first question is, the answer is I got up at 3 o'clock. So its question will be, what time did you get up? Second answer is, I was making bread and cake. What before breakfast? So how can we make the question? By using these words. What were you making before breakfast? Okay, what were you making before breakfast? I ate some fruit. What for breakfast? So you can make the question, what did you have or what did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat? What did you eat for breakfast? The next is, no, I didn't. I drank some tea. And the question words are drink, milk, breakfast. So when we make the question, we use the word did. Did you drink? Did you drink milk for breakfast? As you see, I use all these words that are given. Drink, milk, breakfast. Did you drink milk for breakfast? No, I didn't. I drank some tea. The next is, I was feeling sleepy, and the question words are how, feel, after breakfast. How you can use the word how were you feeling before breakfast. So after making the questions, now rewrite these dialogue on your notebook. Firstly, you have to complete this dialogue. Change the word with apostrophe into their full forms. Okay, like the word is isn't, is not, what is wrong. I am worried. Everything is or was is wrong. I am dash. I am afraid. Are the children upstairs? Yes, they are. They are still asleep. What's the matter? What is the matter with your clothes? They are black. They are. So in this way you will complete these short forms. And then most interesting work, composition. Look at the picture. As you see, firstly the children were playing football in a ground when they saw a strange spaceship was coming nearer to them. They start running. Okay, so this is a story, this is a fiction story. So according to this picture, you have to complete these answers. Write a setting for science fiction. Setting, beta, what is a setting? Setting is actually you have to tell what type of weather was, what was the time, and what was the climate near the story. Like when if you are writing story about this picture, you will write it was a hot whatever the day. It was hot Saturday morning, hot Saturday evening, Monday morning, whatever the day. You mention the day, mention the what type of weather was. Is it pleasant? Is it hot, cold? Okay, and what is the surrounding? It's a busy park. Everyone is happy in the park. Some peoples are playing, some boys are playing football, and there is a beautiful sitting arrangement. So this is called a setting. You have to describe the setting of a story. Okay, so this is called a setting. Beta, if your next work in the from the book, it will be a story setting, story with a setting. So you will write a story with its setting. Okay, now question, what time, day and month was it? You have to make your own story. Okay, and tell to your classmate or tell to your sisters and brother. So where were you? Imagine you are also here. Where were you? We were. Yeah, I was in the park. I was in the park. What were you doing? I was doing. I was playing with my. I was playing football with my friends. What were your friends doing? They play with me. They were playing with football with me. What was or were the strange things doing? A strange spaceship coming nearer, nearer and nearer to us. What did you hear and smell? I smelled a burning smell, and I heard a very strange, loud or humming noise. So in this way you will describe what type of smell you feel and what sound you hear. And how did you feel? Do you feel scared? You will write. You can write, I felt scared. I was very excited to see a spaceship on our planet. So what type of your feeling? So you will write it here. So this is the work. You have to complete your task and share your work with us. Allah Hafiz.